Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert, and I'm here at the EGO headquarters with Barnaby. It's nice to see you again.
Good to see you too, my brother.
And what you can't see behind the camera is there's all these EGO products, and we're going to be talking about a bunch of new ones. In particular, the one that's right in front of me. Give us a little 411 about what we're looking at.
Wow, you're so street, 411.
I know.
Yeah. All right, so this is the EGO Inflator Deflator, and it's 160 PSI on the inflation side of things. So you're gonna be able to inflate your volleyballs, your basketballs, your footballs, all the way up to a 20-inch SUV tire. And you can do that in under a minute on the tire.
You know, depending on the time of year, a lot of times, you know, in the winter time, for people that live in colder climates, they'll get into the car, they'll see the tire pressure monitor says that they need air in the tire. This is a solution that you could take right outside and put the air in the tire and get right back where you need to be.
I'm the hero in the neighborhood. Everybody goes, Barnaby, my tire's a little weak over here. And you know what's cool about it? I mean, I don't know if you do this when your tire is deflated, but you got to try to figure out what the PSI is on the tire.
Right.
So it's like, you're like licking it going, what is that? When you could go to the inside of the door and look for it there. But this has 4 presets on it, so you can preset your tire pressure, your football pressure, your road bike pressure, whatever, so you don't always have to go searching for things.
So it doesn't just do tires. No. You can use this to inflate like beach toys and other kinds of things that need more volume of air instead of high pressure.
Yeah, so even like say a queen size air mattress, 1.5 minutes from flat to snooze time. I mean, it is so powerful. Then you pop this hose off here, put it on over here, and now you can deflate it.
To get it as small as possible.
Right, and check this out. The door of opportunity. So you open this up and you've got your needle, right? Hold on to this right here.
Right.
I'm gonna disappear for a second. This will inflate a volleyball, say. Why don't we demo for people? So you slide her in and you do that, but it also has a brass Presta, so if you have high pressure, like, you know, road bike tires, that's gonna do that. You've got the inflator nozzle for sticking it into beach toys and things of that nature. So it's really everything you need in the way of a inflator deflator.
And one of the benefits of with all the EGO stuff is this is the same battery that all EGO products run off of. And so this is a little 2.5 amp, but even if you had a larger one, you click that thing in place and it's ready to go.
Press the power button. This is preset to 7 pounds, but watch how quickly this jumps up. Yep, so it's at 4 right now, so I just didn't want to belabor the point, but here you have a playable volleyball that quickly, right?
That's awesome, that's awesome.
Yeah, check this out, whammo, we got the lights. So this guy has a magnetic back. So imagine you're first thing in the morning inflating your tires.
Sure.
It'll stick to the wheel well, right? Or you can hang it, right? And it has color temperatures, so if it is the summertime and the bugs are flying, this will not attract bugs.
Wow.
So I'm thinking inside the tent, right? So I can find my way out for my necessaries, as they say.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Another cool tool from EGO, and coming up we're gonna talk about EGO's new Bluetooth speaker.
It rocks.